Lesson 17, Order of Operations. Here's part 1. Simplify each expression using the order of operations, or PEMDAS. Some of these problems involve exponents and nested parentheses, or parentheses within parentheses. Let's look at box B. Here we have 2 squared times 12 divided by 3 plus 1. And notice that we have nested parentheses or parentheses inside of parentheses. So we need to take care of this nested parentheses first. Next line, here's 2 squared times 12 divided by 4. Next, 2 squared times 3. Next line, 2 squared equals 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 equals 12. Once students have had a lot of practice going step by step correctly, then they can start to combine steps. Here's an example. In this problem, we can skip this step and go straight from here directly to here. 2 squared equals 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And 4 times 3 equals 12. Here's part 2. Simplify each expression using the order of operations. These answers will involve fractions and negative values. Use parentheses to show that multiplication and division take precedence over addition and subtraction. Our first example is box E. Here's 1 divided by 10 plus 3 divided by 10 plus 5 divided by 10. And let's use parentheses to help us out. Here's 1 divided by 10 plus 3 divided by 10 plus 5 divided by 10. Let's go to the next line. 1 divided by 10 is 1/10 plus 3 divided by 10 is 3/10 plus 5 divided by 10 is 5/10. Tenths plus tenths plus tenths give you tenths. How many tenths? We have 9/10. Here's box H. Here's 1 plus 2 times 3 divided by 7 plus 4 times 5. And let's use parentheses to help us out. So here's 1 plus 2 times 3 divided by 7 plus 4 times 5. Let's go to the next line. Here's 1 plus 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 divided by 7 equals 6/7. Plus 4 times 5 equals 20. 1 plus 6/7 equals 1 6/7. Plus 20 equals 21 6/7. Last example, box J. 2 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 7 times 2. Let's use parentheses. Here's 2 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 7 times 2. Next line. 2 divided by 5 is 2/5 plus 1 divided by 5 is 1/5 plus 7 times 2 is 14. Next line. 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. 3/5 plus 14 equals 14 3/5.